Hi, I'm Amber Dean. I'm with the Office of Technology Commercialization at Texas Tech University, and I'll be presenting a licensed technology called Fibertect. It is an innovative system for toxic and chemical protection. What is Fibertect? It's a 3-layer flexible non-woven decontamination wipe that absorbs toxic chemical warfare agents, toxic industrial chemicals, and also pesticides. It has a top and bottom fabric layer, and it has a center layer of activated carbon fabric. It is designed as a personal decontamination system in the event of chemical exposure to the skin and equipment. As you can see, this is a picture of the Fibertect product. It has the top and bottom layer of fabric. It's a non-woven fabric. And in the middle is the activated carbon fabric layer. I have a sample. So why Fibertect? The current comparable product on the market is the M291 decontamination kit that's currently being used by the Department of Defense. It comes with an activator pad, applicator pad with loose carbon powder, and that powder remains on the skin or on the treated surface after application, and it can be irritating to the eyes and skin and cannot be used in open wounds. The Fibertect product was tested in 2008 by Lawrence Livermore National Labs, and they used mustard gas and other chemicals, and it was found to outperform 30 different chemical decontamination products, including the M291 product. The biggest advantage of Fibertect is that it is a non-particulate wipe and it is devoid of loose particles. It's effective in decontaminating open wounds. It can offer multiple sizes for different uses. It can be used in protective clothing and equipment. It's hygienic. It's self-contained and packable for easy use, storage, and transport, as you can see from the sample. It has an indefinite shelf life, has obvious Department of Defense applications, and it is patent protected with an issued patent in April of 2009. The market opportunity, the U.S. market for the advanced protective gear, which includes fire protective clothing, armor, biological and chemical protective clothing, respirators, gloves, and other ancillary equipment, is expected to increase to over $4.5 billion in 2012, with the biological and chemical protective gear segment being estimated at $600 million by 2012. Fibertect was exclusively licensed to Hobbs Bonded Fibers of Waco, Texas in 2005. Kerry Hobbs is the CEO, and he has 40 years of experience in the fiber industry and was the first in the industry to work with synthetic fibers. Danny Natavadad is the Director of Technology and R&D. He has 25 years experience in the non-woven and chemical industries. And then Dr. Sheshadri Ramkumar is the Fibertect inventor, and he is an associate professor at the Institute for Environmental and Human Health at Texas Tech. We project sales in 2010. We're going to sell 250,000 square feet of the wipe at $5.99 a square foot for estimated sales of $1.4 million. In 2011, 580,000 square feet for an estimated sales of $3.4 million. And in 2012, 740,000 square feet for estimated sales of $4.4 million. We are seeking potential sub-licensees to expand our production market. We also are seeking alliances with investors to develop our second generation wipe and to test on additional chemicals. We're seeking capital up to $450,000 to test for air permeability and protective clothing, to test for saturation properties on multiple agents, test for reuse rather than disposal, and also to test the shelf life for multiple agents. If you have any questions, you can visit the Hobbs Bonded Fibers website at hobbsbondedfibers.com. You can email me at my email address or give me a phone call, or we're right over here in booth 703 and 705. Thank you.